Hey everyone, big update for all the MBA aspirants. The XAT 2026 notification is finally out. If you're aiming for XLRI or other top B school that accept XAT scores, this video has got you covered. I'll break down the important dates, exam pattern, colleges which accept XAT and everything else you need to know about them. Let's start with dates first because the deadlines wait for no one. Registration has opened on July 10, 2025, that is today. Last date to apply for this examination is December 5, 2025. Admit cards for the same examination will be out around December 20th. The XAT examination will be held on the first Sunday of the January, that is Jan 4th, 2026 from 2 pm to 5 pm. So mark your calendars and more importantly, don't wait till the last moment to register yourselves for the examination. Coming to the point that why you should go for XAT examination, let's get you a reality check. XAT is just not for XLRI. It is a very popular name in other top B schools also because they accept their scores for the applications as well, such as XIMB, IMT Ghaziabad, IMI Delhi, TAPME, Goa Institute of Management, and the list does not just end here. It's a very long one. So if you're aiming for a top tier MBA B school but aren't sure about your CAT yet, so that can be a strong alternative for you guys. Moving on to the examination pattern, guys. So the good news is it is expected to be the same as last year. The examination contains of 4 sections. Verbal ability that contains of 26 questions, decision making 21 questions, quantitative aptitude and DI 28 questions. There is no sectional time limit. You have 170 minutes to complete all the 3 sections, and for the 4th section, that is general knowledge, you have been allotted 10 minutes and you have to attempt 20 questions in that time. The marking scheme in the XAT is +1 for each correct answers, minus 0.25 marks for each incorrect answers. There is no penalty for up to 8 consecutive unanswered questions, but the twist is if you are marking more than 8 unanswered questions, then you are being charged minus 0.1 marks for each unanswered question after 8. So there is no negative marking in general knowledge sections. A good news for you guys. What makes that stand out from other examination is its decision making section, which is very unique. This section basically tests your emotional and intellectual ability to handle real world situations, some things you would often face as a manager, HR professional, or someone in a leadership role. So be sure to give this section some extra focus while you're preparing because this can really make a difference. Before we go, we want to update you that if you guys have any doubts in filling the form, so don't hurry in that. You have good time and we'll be coming up with a step-by-step video on how to fill the XAT form to help you guys. Till then, you can explore the syllabus, understand the paper format, and start studying with the basics, also shortlisting your colleges for which you want to apply in future. So that's it for now, guys. We are signing off. But if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your MBA prep buddies and subscribe to the channel as we'll be bringing you the latest notification along with the preparation tips and strategy videos to help you stay ahead. Got questions? Do drop them in our comment sections. We are here to help you.